Welcome and thank you for downloading this screencast. By the time we've finished, you will have a sufficient working knowledge of TiddlyWiki to create a new file, organise your information and share the results. If you need help, the best place to start is the TiddlyWiki website at TiddlyWiki.com. First, I'm going to walk you through the main functions of a TiddlyWiki and then explain how you can use it. You're looking at a TiddlyWiki here. It's a single file that opens in a browser, and this single file contains all the information and functionality that I'm going to show you. The information is organised into chunks called tiddlers. This is a tiddler here, and these are links to other tiddlers. When we click on these links, the tiddlers open in the same window. They're also cross-linked. We can close tiddlers by clicking on Close, close several by clicking on Close Others, or we can close all. If you want to edit existing content, simply double-click on the tiddler and it goes into edit mode. You can make your changes, click on Done, and those changes take effect immediately. If we want to create new content, we can click on the New Tiddler link on the right-hand side. You can then populate this tiddler with whatever information you like. You could also copy and paste from another source if you like. Let's take this article from today's BBC News website. And we've created our first new tiddler. So how do we link information together? Well, there is a simple link syntax that can be used. I know, for example, that we have a tiddler called BT Osmosoft. So if we edit this tiddler by double-clicking and write BT Osmosoft using that link syntax, which happens to be double square brackets, it becomes a link to a tiddler, and it has the same functionality. We can also link to a tiddler that doesn't exist yet by using double square brackets. So let's say, for example, I intend to write something about Tony Blair. I use the double square brackets, and it comes up, shown in italics because we need to populate it, but we can click on it once to open up the tiddler, double click it and start making changes. We can achieve the same effect by creating a word with a capital letter in it. We call this camel case. So I'm going to create another new tiddler here without using double square brackets, but it has the same effect. So I can now open that up, double click to edit it, click on Done, and the changes take effect immediately. So, now let's have a look at navigating content. There are three ways that you can navigate around a TiddlyWiki: browsing, searching, and tagging. You can tailor the left-hand navigation to make browsing more straightforward. If you click on More on the right-hand side, click on Main Menu, and it opens up a tiddler. You can edit this tiddler so that it includes the items that you want to link to. Those changes take effect immediately. You can also use search. This search bar is present in all TiddlyWikis. 6 tiddlers found matching Osmosoft. And the third way that you can navigate around a TiddlyWiki is using tags. This is a topic that deserves its own screencast. So now it's your turn. To get set up, you need to save an empty version of TiddlyWiki to your hard drive. To do this, visit TiddlyWiki.com, click on the download software link on the left-hand side, and then follow the instructions. You can then close TiddlyWiki.com, double-click on the file you've just saved, and you can start creating content. Note that you should never use the Save As command in the browser menu. Your TiddlyWiki will not work if you do. So when you want to save your file, click on Save Changes on the right hand side here. TiddlyWiki will helpfully create backups for you as you go along. You can now use TiddlyWiki for a variety of purposes, but it's especially useful for organising and sharing information. You can use it for everything from writing meeting minutes to organising cookery recipes, from creating action plans to composing user guides. If you need to get in touch, please do so via our website at www.osmosoft.com. Thank you for watching this screencast.